Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 19, we are going to focus on transitions. Transitions are words or phrases that connect ideas and help sentences flow smoothly. They are important for making writing clear and organized. For beginner English learners such as yourselves, simple transitions are the best. In Part 1 of your textbook, transitions are explained. The question asked is, what are transitions? Like I said, transitions are words or phrases that help connect ideas in writing. They make your sentences and paragraphs flow smoothly so your reader can easily understand your ideas. Why are transitions important? Well, they show the order of events. They explain why something happens. They add new information. And they compare or contrast ideas. Now, let's look at some examples of transition words. For sequence, there are first, next, then, after, and finally. For example, first I ate breakfast in the morning. Next, I drive to work. Then I work 8 hours at the office. After work, I go to the gym to exercise. Finally, I go home and have dinner with my family. For adding ideas, there are and, also, in addition, and furthermore. For example, after work, I go to the gym to exercise and lift weights. Also, I sit in the sauna for 15 minutes. In addition, I use the massage table to relax my muscles. Furthermore, I take a shower to cool off. For cause and effect, there are because, so, therefore, and as a result. For example, first I eat breakfast in the morning because it is a healthy way to start the day. So if I go a long time without eating, I can get irritated easily. Therefore, it is better to have food in my stomach to start my day. As a result, I find my mornings more pleasant. For contrast, there are but, however, and on the other hand. For example, I drive to work, but I drive slow. However, if I drive too slow, then I might get to work later. On the other hand, if I drive too fast, I could be stopped by the police and get a speeding ticket. For comparing, there are similarly, in the same way, and likewise. For example, at work, I have to be careful in everything I do. Similarly, when I exercise, I have to be extra careful not to injure myself. In the same way, I have to pay attention to how long I stay in the sauna. Likewise, if I lose track of time on the massage table, I will be late for dinner, and that is not a good thing. Now, if you look in your textbook, there are example sentences to give you more ideas of how these transition words are used. Pause the video now and read them to yourself. It's great you are paying close attention to this. You will need to be familiar with transition words in order to complete the following activities. Be sure to like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, keep working on your writing skills.